straighten you out? Okay, here. Watch out for the rose bush. Oh my gosh, Jade.
That's why I was stopping.
Oh shit. You okay? Oh my goodness. The roses got you?
No.
Grab the bite. Ow, shit. That thing hurts. You can do it.
There's a bug.
Can we see you ride your bike? Let's go this way. Go across the street. You can go down that way because there's a hill, right? Okay. Good job. Just wait. This road right here, we're going to turn left on it, and it has no outlet.
What is outlet?
It's a dead end. Not a dead end, it's a cul-de-sac. Aw, looks like Zoe. Okay, go left. Ooh, that's...
Huh?
You can. Yep. No, you can go on this road because it's not a through street, so no cars are going to come unless I know about it. Okay?